Do you think you can solve this high school level math problem? You might think you can. But there's a huge secret hidden inside. Because we're not just solving for x, we're discovering how this tricky equation leads us directly to one of the most famous, most beautiful numbers in all of mathematics, the golden ratio. Our question is 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x, so we have to find a value of x. Divide 2 power x on both sides. Then we get 2 power x by 2 power x plus 4 power x by 2 power x is equal to 8 power x by 2 power x. 2 power x by 2 power x will be cancelled out by 1, and 4 power x by 2 power x we can write it as 4 by 2 whole power x, and 8 power x by 2 power x we can write it as 8 by 2 whole power x. 4 will be cancelled out by 2 and 8 will be cancelled out by 4, then we get us 1 plus 2 power x is equal to 4 power x. And now 4 we can write it as 2 square. Now we can exchange the powers in the right side term. Then we can write it as 1 plus 2 power x is equal to 2 power x whole square. Just put 2 power x is equal to y. Now put 2 power x is equal to y in the equation, then we get us 1 plus y is equal to y square. Write this equation in the form a quadratic equation, then we get as y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the roots of the quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare the values, then we get as a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Now substitute the values. Now we get as minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. Then we get us 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5, then we get as y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. We know that 2 power x is equal to y, then 2 power x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 5 by 2. So we have got our mathematics secret, that is the golden ratio, which is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 5 by 2. Then 2 power x is equal to phi. Now apply log on both sides and we get us ln of 2 power x is equal to ln of phi. X ln of 2 is equal to ln of phi. Now x is equal to ln phi by ln 2. Phi is equal to 1 plus or minus square root 5 by 2. Then now substitute in the equation. Now x is equal to log base 2 1 plus or minus square root 5 by 2. So we have got our x value. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.